It is Friday, the 5th of April, and this is the English broadcast of Workers Connect Radio. Let us begin with the headlines. Blast in the reactor unit of a pharmaceutical factory in Telangana kills 6 workers, 18 still battling injuries. Demanding permanent jobs, over 3,500 contract health workers embark on strike at PGI in Chandigarh. Irked over non-payment of wages for over 7 months, teachers and non-teaching staff of Shaheed Bhagat Singh University in Punjab embark on hunger strike. Telecom workers embark on strike against meagre pay and unsafe working conditions in Nigeria. And Workplace Relations Commission awards €143,000 to Indian worker as compensation against sexual harassment and gender discrimination. Now news in detail. Death toll has risen to 6 after the charred body of 38-year-old Vadde Ramesh was discovered in the debris by the rescue team at pharmaceutical manufacturing company SB Organics Limited in Sangareddy district of Telangana. The mishap happened due to a blast in the reactor of Unit 1 of the company, which has 3 units in the same compound. The impact of the explosion was such that due to its tremors, all the glass panels from the windows of the second unit in a 3-story building were shattered. There were over 35 workers on duty when the incident took place, out of which Dayanand, aged 48 years, Subramaniam, 36, Suresh Paul, 54, Chakali Vishnu, 35, and 38-year-old Ravi Sharma are reported to be dead, while 18 other workers are grievously injured and undergoing treatment at Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences. Over 3,500 contract workers of the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences have embarked on strike in Chandigarh, demanding regularization of their services and wages at par with their permanent counterparts. More than 60% of hospital staff are on contractual positions and ensure essential services like cleaning, housekeeping, security, disposal of biomedical waste, and support to doctors and residents for patient care. The workers had earlier won a battle for regularization from the High Court, which the management has been refusing to comply with. The dispute has soured further after the police arrested 9 union leaders at the behest of management to quell the strike. The teaching and non-teaching staff of Shaheed Bhagat Singh State University in Firozpur district of Punjab embarked on a hunger strike demanding immediate payment of wages and arrears, which remain unpaid for over 7 months. The Joint Action Committee, comprising unions of teaching and non-teaching staff, are demanding that the government make budgetary provisions for the university to be able to disburse payments on time. Despite promises to double the university's annual grant, which currently stands at Rs 15 crore, the government has failed to do so. Moving on to international news, the first one's from Nigeria, where the Private Telecommunications and Communications Senior Staff Association of Nigeria has declared an indefinite strike since yesterday, pressing for immediate recognition of employees' fundamental right to freedom of association. The union has been demanding acknowledgement of the union as the negotiating body of workers, permanent jobs for contract workers, compliance with pension and health insurance regulations, and initiating negotiations for a collective bargaining agreement. Further, the union has raised demands for safe working conditions for all workers and especially for those who are employed during late-night field assignments. The Workplace Relations Commission in Ireland's capital city of Dublin has imposed a fine of €143,000 on the restaurant chain Bombay Bhappa Limited on the charges of underpayment, non-payment of overtime work, and rampant sexual harassment. The commission found that the owners of the restaurant would force the worker to withdraw cash and hand it back to the manager after making the statutory payments in their bank account, and constantly threaten the expat worker with deportation and arrest. The restaurant also failed to ensure a safe workplace for chef Sharanjit Kaur, who faced rampant sexual harassment and gender discrimination at the workplace. That is all in this bulletin. We'll be back next week with the latest updates from the world of work.